Hello. So this is the website that I was supposed to make. I think everything is on it. And I'm able to shift from uh, home to template. Yeah, and the template should work for all the rest besides the home, because the home is the one that'll work on the most. So everything seems like it's where it should be, and it is able to go smaller. Had the background color red for the small so I could see where the difference was. I don't know if I'm supposed to change that or not, but if I need to, that's okay. That's an easy one. I can change it. Doesn't scroll vertically, or no, horizontally. My bad. Doesn't scroll horizontally, and that's what it looks like. So there it is. Thank you.